Okay, so in this cell, I'm going to enlarge this. In cell B8, you have a formula equals sum B4 to B7, which means it's going to add, and that's a function formula. It has that word sum in there. So it's going to add these four. And you're supposed to copy it to these cells. When I look at this, it says C4, C5, C6, C7. That's not the proper way to write a formula. It should be equals sum C4 to C7, the 2 being a colon. And the same thing here. So I think what you did was type it in. So what you're supposed to do is at the bottom right corner, there's a fill handle, and you can click on it and drag to copy it to the other places. And now you have the correct formula. It does the same thing as typing equals C4 plus C5 plus C6 plus C7, but that's not what we do in Excel. We use the function formula, which is the word sum, and point to all those cells. Okay, cell B20 doesn't have a formula in it. It should have a formula that subtracts B16 from B8. So it would be equals, and then you would select B8 minus, just hit the minus sign or the hyphen, and B16. And that gives you your answer. And I think that we've got the same problem over here. So use that fill handle to fill to the right. And then that would be correct. So be sure you put formulas in where they're asking for them. Okay, switch back to the company analysis. We're already there. Update the chart as described below. I don't see a chart. So there should be a chart. Here we go. To its own chart sheet. So 2020. Okay, the reason it didn't find this is letter C. So this should be 2020 expenses. The title of the chart is expenses in 2020, but the tab should be 2020 expenses, and that was again from letter C.